Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to dress up your car with carbon fiber side skirts? I'll show you how. All right, guys, so let's talk about this project a little bit and the reason why you might want to do this yourself. Now, I know in my case, I've wanted to add some more styling to the outsides of my car, and when I saw these carbon fiber side skirts from Kies Motorsports, I knew I wanted to add them. Now, there's a lot of different styles out there. There's the OEM style, which is really aggressive and definitely different for BMW, but I think these are absolutely fantastic. They're gonna add a little bit of flaring at the front and back. They're also gonna tie into some front and rear changes I'm gonna do as well, so make sure to check those out when that happens. But I'm gonna walk you through this install. This is super simple. It's really gonna take you longer to set up than it is to do the job itself. Okay, so you're gonna need a 10mm socket, so make sure to get that handy. And then, as you can tell, my car's already up in the air. Now I'm gonna use my jack today because my quick jacks would actually be in the way. So get your car up, and I always say this whenever I'm telling you to get your car up in the air, do it safely, please. Make sure to use a jack and jack stands. Make sure you're on a level surface. Don't let your car come down, either damage your car or yourself, right? Okay, so grab your 10mm. I'm gonna grab my light. I'm gonna show you what it looks like underneath the car. We're just gonna pull a whole series of 10mm bolts out. Super simple. Let's get started. All right, here we are looking underneath the car. This is the back of the car and the front's this way. You're just gonna see a whole series of 10mm. My light's on one of them right now. So 10mm here, and there's 10mm screws down the body of the car, all holding the plastics down. So all you need to do is just take those out, and we're just gonna lay the new side skirt in and put the screws right back in. Really is that simple. Now there is a bead of 3M tape on the trim, which I'm gonna show you here in a second. Now the other thing is you can see a little bit of dirt here. I would also recommend using a good cleaner. Wipe all this down, make sure it's nice and clean. Out here on these outside edges where we're gonna get our 3M tape, you wanna make sure that that is as absolutely clean as you can get it, okay? So go ahead and walk down this under edge of your car, clean it off really nicely, and then go ahead and pull all of these 10mm out down this entire line. All right, then we're gonna walk and put it on. So once you have those 8 10mm screws out, you can just lay this out. And this is where you can see, so all this double-sided adhesive. So it's gonna run up this edge, it's gonna run down this top edge right here. So make sure it's completely clean and dry. So the nice thing about this with the screw holes, all you'd have to do is just simply hold this up into place. So what I would recommend is pulling off an edge right here and then just have it trailing off. Don't pull the whole thing. So pull this piece here, get this uncovered, and then pull this long strip, just have it dangling. Because then when you put this up here, you can take one screw and put it this end, secure this end. You can go in and you can secure the other end so you know it's going to be held in place. And then you can just lay this piece up into place, and as you go, slowly peel back the adhesive to make sure it's right in the right locations. It's set up really nicely, and then it's really that simple. And then go ahead and put all the rest of the screws back in. So let me show you, I'll do it about partially just so you can see what it looks like, and then we'll show when it's done. But it really is this simple, guys. So here it is already partially in place. You can tell I haven't secured it down because the tape is still not pulled completely. But I've got the screws in from underneath, just holding it up. Super simple. This is such an easy install for you guys. So just pull the tape, make sure you get a good clean adhesion. This 3M tape tends to hold really well in bad weather, but I would give it a day if you can. Try not to get it wet immediately. But just get it all secured down into place. Now this is so simple, there's no reason to do the other side. It's gonna be the exact same thing. Okay, so finish this side up really nicely, get the other side up, put it on. This is gonna look great. All right guys, back on the ground. Just one quick look here. Yeah, man, that looks really good. I like it. It's different than the F87 style, but I think it's gonna tie in really well with the rest of the design choices in the car. But I love it. I think that looks absolutely fantastic. All right, guys, if you haven't done the other side yet, go get that done. If you already have, go ahead and clean up, put your tools away. Well, great job. All right, y'all, I told you this is a really easy project. It only takes just a few minutes, takes you longer to set up than it is to do the job itself. I love the way this looks, and I'm really grateful for Kies Motorsports making such a fantastic product, and it's gonna tie into all the rest that I'm doing on the car as well. So make sure to check that out. All the links for everything you need will be in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. While you're there, please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. That way you get notifications for upcoming events, DIYs, reviews, you name it. Lots of content coming. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.